Hi, welcome to Tamil Tech Zone. Today we are going to discuss about the how to set up the Kubernetes entire cluster. It's very simple way. What is the way? What is the simple way? Is that we are using the scripting. We are using the scripting to installing the Kubernetes control plane and the worker node. It is a very simple way to install the with a single click. We can easily install the master and worker node. Master node is nothing but a control plane. First, what we are going to do means first we are going to install the Kubernetes control plane with this install underscore master.sh script. After uh, when we are going to install a two worker nodes, it install worker.sh script we are using to install. Then the master node will generate a token. That token we copy and paste in the two worker node. After the entire setup will be created. Okay, this is our GitHub repo. In the GitHub repo, given the script in cluster setup, cluster setup, the latest version, they have the two scripts install master.sh and worker.sh. Okay, without delay, we can do the demo. Okay, we are going to use the Ubuntu server, three Ubuntu server in this master setup. I'm going to give a name control plane. Three instances. One is the control plane and the two is worker node. I'm taking the Ubuntu. I written the script in the script mentioned there is a 20.02 Ubuntu version. I'm using this one. The minimal prerequisite concept is 3T T2 dot medium or 3T dot medium. That's it. Teacher. I'm using the default VPC. I have a security group. Security have all permission, all traffic it be available. I'm giving 25 GB approximately in this setup. I'm going to launch instead. Okay, that's a lot of instance. And next page. We have launched three instances. I'm going to change this control plan. Worker node one. I'm just going to copy this one. Worker node two. Okay. In the GitHub repo, they have the two script. One is master.sh, one is worker.sh. In the script, they have mentioned all this command to install it. We have no need to install the Docker, whatever it is the requirements. We no need to install. Just if you run the script, it will the entire setup will be automatically creating by using the script. I will mention this GitHub link into the description. Okay, we can first we set up the control plane. I'm taking 14. This is a very easy method to install it in the cluster for education purpose or the training purpose. It is a very the setup is very easy method. Ubuntu. This is our control plane. I'm going to change the color for. Okay, first what we are going to do, we will set up the control plane. Later we can set up the both worker one and worker two. To do, I can make it as a super listed. If we do, I can get update the Ubuntu server. In this time, I'm going to take the putty for two worker node. Ubuntu This is my worker node. Going to appearance is good. I can we have to update this server also. apt I can this update I can void. I'm going to take control plane worker node 2. Yeah, we configure the two setup. This is the control plane. This is my worker node 2. And this is another worker node 1 and worker node 2. Green color is the master plane. What I'm going to do is I'm just copying the GitHub repo first. I'm just copying this link. First I'm going to set up the worker node. I'm using git clone this link. Git clone the GitHub repo. We'll check ls. It will be set up the CKS course environment. Go inside the CKS course environment. They have the lots of files that we are going to check in the Kubernetes cluster. Go inside the Kubernetes cluster. Inside the Kubernetes cluster, we have the latest version, previous version, and calico.yaml. Calico is the network file connecting the worker and the master node. Okay, now we are going to in latest version. Latest version. Okay, in latest version, I have the two files. Install master.ss and worker.sh. This is our master node. So we are going to install this. We are going to run the shell script in this master node. They have the we don't have any permission to run this file. So first we need to change the permission of the master install master ss. It's more. I'm going to give the full permission of this one. Master.sh. Okay, if you check it, we have the full permission, read, write, and execute permission for the all permission master.sh dot slash install master.sh. You run the script dot slash install master.sh. If you run the script, it will automatically all the query requirements setup will be generated using of this script. It will be take some time for almost 5 minutes. Will be take to run the script. Uh, okay, now we can set up the worker node 1 and 2. This is our worker node 1. For the reference, I'm changing the color for this one. Okay, I'm doing this. This is our worker node. Okay, same process. Copy the clone. Copy the link and give clone. Install the. Okay. Go inside the clone the repo and the same process. Go to cluster setup and go to latest version. Okay. Before we install master.sh, now we are going to install the worker.sh. Basically, this is the worker node. The brief components will be all the setup in the shell scripting. So same process, we need to change the permission first of all. chmod and go to full permission. Install worker.sh. Same process. Um, Before we install the master for the master, now we are going to install worker.sh setup. It will take some time. So we set up the worker.to. Same process. So the font will be size. Little bit I will be changed. This is worker.to. I'm going to take git clone. I'll give this GitHub link into description. So that's the setup. Latest. I will give the permission for the change the permission. It's not to be 7. So for our business, and we can install the setup. Okay, we will check the master now. Okay, all the process it will be installed in the master node. They will generate one token. This is our Kubernetes join token. If we copy this token, they generate the token from this master node. The token we need to paste into worker node and worker node 2 automatically. The two worker nodes will be ready into complete the master. The setup also ready in the worker node 1 and worker node 2 is going the process going. It is also almost done in the setup is okay. First we need to copy this cube dimension and we will check first of all. HCTL get nodes. This is the only one node it's the control node, control plane. HCTL get ports. There's no node namespace. Okay, we need to join the node. This is our worker node 1. In this worker node, I'm going to paste the token to join the master node. The process is the node has been joined. The cube checking gets node. If we check in the control pane, the node will be shown. Same process I'm going to do in the worker node 2. Worker node 2. Okay, I'm going to copy this command again. Copy this token to paste this token. The prefectors are running. Okay. The node has been altered. Second node also has been joined in the worker master. Okay, you can check kubectl get nodes. All the nodes has been ready. The node is not ready. This node is the worker node 1 is ready 15 seconds ago to 18 seconds ago. Again, we will check. Um, okay, it will take some time. It will be ready almost. Okay, this is service. Okay, now we will check the both node has been ready. This is a simple method to install the Kubernetes cluster using the script. Thank you for watching. Be updated. I will update the next video as soon as.